Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Riddhi and you are watching Flavors and Fitness. So today we are preparing veg paneer frankie. So let's get started. To prepare frankie, I have taken 200 gram of paneer which is marinated with salt and pepper and kept for 30 minutes. And other than that, I have taken veggies such as I have taken onion, one big size onion chopped, टू कैरेट्स, वन कैप्सिकम एंड वन स्मॉल साइज ऑफ कैबेज। सबको मैंने जूलियन में कट कर लिया है। अब इस मिक्सचर को हमें कुक करना है। जनरली सलाड इज केप्ट रो इन फ्रैंकी बट आई प्रेफर इट लिटिल कुक्ड एंड सीजनड विद सम शेजवान सॉस और सोया सॉस। सो फॉर दैट आई हैव टेकन अ पैन एंड एडेड 2 स्पून ऑफ घी। अब उसमें हम जो मैरिनेटेड पनीर है उसको पहले कुक कर लेंगे। You can use here ghee and oil mix as well. Give it a light mix. It will take 5 to 7 minutes. Just stir lightly in between and then take out in a plate. Now add chopped onion in the same pan and just saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. We will not overcook this veggies. We will keep all it crunchy. Just उसको 2-3 मिनट सौते कर लीजिए ताकि उसका कलर चेंज होने लगे। उसके बाद हम उसमें ऐड कर देंगे carrots. Today I am preparing this frankie with soy sauce and green chili sauce. You can also prepare this with Szechuan sauce as well. Now add carrots जिसको भी मैंने जूलियंस में कट कर लिया है। Give it a good mix and cook it again for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will add capsicum. कैप्सिकम को ज़्यादा कुक होने में टाइम नहीं लगता, so we'll just cook it for 1 to 2 minutes and give it a good mix. At last we will add cabbage and our seasonings as well. Cabbage add करने के बाद we will add around 1.5 spoon of salt, half spoon of black pepper powder and little sugar powder. It will balance all the taste of soy sauce and everything. After adding all the dry masalas, give it a good mix. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes only because cabbage भी फटाफट से cook हो जाता है. And then we will add our cooked paneer in the mixture. After adding paneer, we will be adding soya sauce and green chili sauce as per taste. I have added 2 spoon of soya sauce and 1 spoon of green chili sauce. If you like it more spicy, you can add more green chili sauce or even red chili sauce. आप यहाँ पे अगर आपको पसंद है तो नॉर्मल केचप भी ऐड कर सकते हो इस टाइम पे। Now give everything a good mixed and just saute it for a minute or 2 and then switch off the gas and let the mixture cool down. To make a frankie, I am here using wheat atta roti. You can also use all-purpose flour. I am completely avoiding it here. Now take a tawa and roast the roti but keep it half cooked, and this way first prepare all half cooked roti. Now make a mixture of mayonnaise and ketchup. I have taken 3 spoon of mayonnaise and 1.5 spoon of ketchup. We will use this deep to assemble the frankie. Now we have our all elements ready. We will assemble the frankie. Now take a tawa and apply ghee on it and cook one side properly of the roti first. After it gets cooked, shift the side and on a low flame we will apply mayo and ketchup mixture on a roti. Just spread it evenly. After that, add veggies and paneer mixture on it towards the one side of the roti. As everything is cooked well, we will add little cheese here as per the quantity you prefer. I am adding very little amount of it over here. Now check the side of roti that doesn't get overcooked. And if you feel it's getting overcooked while doing this process, turn off the flame and then again assemble everything, and then switch on the flame and roast it again. Now just fold the Frankie as per shown here and cook both the sides as well. So here cheese will also get melt, everything will get cooked well. If you prefer, you can also do one thing, you can prepare the roti completely cooked and then again assemble the Frankie. So our delicious Frankie is completely ready to serve. Here it is completely mouth melting and taste amazing. I have served it with ketchup and mayonnaise over here. Here a quick recipe of assembling of Frankie again. So guys, if you like this recipe, do hit like button and share it with your friends and family, and also comment below if you prefer the cooked salad or you like the raw salad more in the Frankie. I really want to know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so I can keep sharing this such amazing recipes for you. And thank you so much for watching. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay happy. Until next video. Bye bye.